There's John, he won a trophy. 98 rocket. Look at that. So John does the dancing over at $1 Million Breakfast Cruise. First Sunday, last Sunday every month. I guess 5, 6. So many choices. Pat and Bob. Thanks guys for all you did. How about that? They got an 8-track up on the dash because they got an 8-track player. Pat and Bob. And this is Angelo. What's the matter, Angelo?
I knew I shouldn't have taken it out.
No, it was not starting.
Oh
no. Oh no. So it's out here, it's a fun day over here at the El Camino Plaza, Tustin, California. Right across from my favorite restaurant in Tustin, Roma d'Italia. So maybe we can catch some cars rolling out here. Woody, huh? Was a past best of show at Mercantile in Fullerton a couple years ago. Yeah. Woody. Yeah, that's the spot over there. Look at that race car. Look at that. I missed that. In the walkthrough, wonder where it was hiding. How about that? Yeah, that's a nice rod right there. Ha, look at that, huh? I already hear that more horsepower. Oh! Yeah, see that Dano Live sticker gets you 5 to 10 more horsepower, make you be able to do that. Yeah. Broski Yoski. Oh. See, you might want them stickers. Yeah, give you more power and more fun. There's John. John's always got the Dano Live sponsor t-shirt on the seat back. Thanks, John. Thanks for supporting the t-shirt. How about that? And the 53 Buick, the family heirloom right there. Two-tone blue. Put in gear, rod. Gears and pedals. Look at that, huh? Ain't that a beautiful thing? Yeah, a Kizzle. That's a trophy today too. Congratulations. 29 Kizzle. Now look at here, huh? 5.7 Nomad Bel Air. Ford rolling out. Deluxe. Plymouth with a drop top. Thank Thank you as always. Yeah, we got a DeLorean DMC. How about that? DeLorean Motor Company. Hey, look at that. We got Mike. Volkswagen to Jeep. Yeah, supporting the Dano Live. Sponsor t-shirt. Thank you. Check out what's coming out next. Mr. Boulevard. The best of show. Salute the veterans. Look at that. Congratulations once again. How about that? He's calling the president. I won. Mr. Boulevard. Chevrolet Fleet Line. Driving away with the best of show trophy. And there, Robert Maldonado. Way down there in that My 55 ride. Look at that. Pick him up, truck. Oh, a Porsche. Oh, Rod, he runs away with a trophy too. Look at that. Camera Speed, a Dano Live sponsor, renewed for 2020-2021. 5.5 Chevy. Look at that. Got a beautiful bride right behind him, Lori. Hey. Look at that. She got the Wrangler up on stilts. Ew. El Camino Plaza, right here in Old Town Tustin. Come here to support the merchants that are here. It's a pretty good little center. Been here for a long time. Look at that. 66 Corvette. Ooh, looks elegant in silver with black interior. Yeah. Remember back when I was a kid, my brother's girlfriend's sister, older sister, Carol, had one of those, and she used to pick me up. I was just a kid. She'd pick me up and take me for a ride. I was so thrilled to ride in that Corvette. Look at that. Wow. Now that's a double nickel, huh? Thanks for coming out. Man, that is so pretty. Look at that. Woo-wee. Well, maybe pretty isn't a nice masculine term. Garland, thank you very much. Your generosity is appreciated, my brother.
Thank you for the great video, sir. Great video.
You're welcome. Here's Garland. Now, here we see this on Friday nights. Diane Baines is on the phone. 340 with a 6-pack. Opa. Whoa! 64. Bonnie, look at that. Catalina. Paul Washington. Yeah. Look at this. Flame hot rod. Yeah. Love them wheels. Man, the flame going down the side. No engine side covers. Man, got the right stance. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Hey, David, Innovative Detailing right here in Tustin, California. 53 Coyote. And a Ford Courier. How about that? Whoa, we got some scratch. Dang. Oh, look at this. Sammy Javik going home with a trophy. Congratulations! Yeah, my good buddy Bill. William Whitlock cruising out with a 63.5 Galaxy. Got Tina with him. Yeah, that's the way to ride. Oh, getting some scratch.
Nice to meet you, sir.
All right, Franco. That's Franco. He does security right here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, over here.
Look at that. 1908?
1950.
15. Earlier I said 12 or 14, but 1915. Look at that. I don't know my early antiques. They ain't gonna get any wheel hop out of that, that's for sure. They ain't gonna smoke any tires on that. That's confirmed. Look at this, Z06 dump in yellow. I mean, that's Tony. Tony coming late and rolling out late. At least he showed up. Did not disappoint. Talking to Don. Tony! Thanks.
Successful car show, man.
All right, Tony, thank you for showing up. Yeah, well, I'll miss you on Friday. I'll be on vacation. Well, not really vacation, just out of town. Glendale, Arizona bound. Yeah. Look at that. Whoa, I thought they were coming out. We're all loaded for bear. How about that? Yo, check that out, man. What's your Instagram, bro?
It's crushing_2SS.
How about that?
And this is your buddy Gavin here.
Yeah. How about that? You guys have a good time?
Thank you. Yeah, we did.
Yeah. What a show, what a show. It's cruise night now.
Yeah.
Look at that. The 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. How about that? How cool. Yeah. Look at this. This could be a Dano van coming here, man. Put a LS6 in there and maybe a real hot rod 5-speed tree neck shifter behind it, tranny, and then modern chassis on it, and I can hit the road. Yeah, you got the train horn already, yo. How cool. That could be a Dano van.
mechanic had a van just like that.
Ah. Look at that, Sioux City Classics. Led by the Hemrod. Robert Wong. Oh, he took his Trump flag off. So they're going to roll down the 5 freeway to Laguna Canyon Road. Alrighty. You're going on the cruise now, huh? Alright. I'll catch you later tonight. I won't be able to catch up with you down there. Look at that, alley cat. At least we catch them all rolling out now. Hey, Ray. Look at that, Jerry back down a bit. Suzuki. There's Don. How about that? There's Eddie. Now for a moment of silence. Look at that. Ryan Adams, wide body life. No, not the single race car driver. Daryl Linda. Look at that. We got John with his ranchero. Whoa! Ho, ho. Boys will be boys. I like that right there. That is so cool. Yeah. Yeah, 67, 427. Steel flat. There's John. He wins the trophy with his Oldsmobile 98 Rocket. Beautiful drop top Oldsmobile.
It's gonna cost you.
It's gonna cost you, Angelo. Right? See, you get these nice toys. Good thing they have flatbed trucks. Huh? This flatbed is never gonna look so pretty as it's gonna look right now. There's gonna be accidents on the freeway, but they're gonna stop and pull and take pictures.
You drive a Dodge?
No, I drive a Ford.
I'm really gonna tell you. Hey, I'm with you though.
Yeah.
Guess what I drive?
Yeah. What'd you?
64 convertible Ford Galaxy 500.
Ooh,
That's
you hear that? Whoa.
Nice.
Here, this guy got rid of his 64. 65, 65. Yeah.
My brother and I just bought a 64 Muscane. I have a 67 Fairlane.
Nice.
And then I have a 70 Woods Wood Bumper Camaro.
Nice.
Yeah, that's my whole half. Come out. Look at when you got your bed.
Yeah, here we got the military loading up. All the pictures have been taken.
You built this?
All these reenactors. Hey Angelo, maybe I'll just keep it on a flatbed and have him drop it off at Diane's show on Friday.
Oh yeah. No, this isn't going to the show.
You know,
It's going down a shop on the rack.
yeah. You're gonna have to figure that out, huh? But at least you got to the show.
I almost didn't come. I only came because the guy wanted to buy an air cleaner I have.
Uh-huh.
I was sitting over here.
Yeah, Victor.
Yeah, it had been scare cleaner.
Uh-huh.
You know, and I wasn't going to come, but he insisted that I bring it.
Ah, I thought maybe you came because you were coming here to support the Dano Live sponsoring the show. Yeah, okay.
That was an afterthought.
Yeah.
Once they've been a time. For me. Don't worry about it.
Shadow knows. The trailer queen. It's all loaded up, huh? We're in the army now. Guess we call this bonus coverage. Bonus Salute the Veterans car show coverage.
I don't know how you're going to get out of here with all this crap going on. You're supposed to go 50 miles. I'll take one to reach it. No, you're going to I know. Yeah, what we... Okay. So we move this from YouTube here? Yeah. I don't know who I said. I didn't know if you were able to cut through here, are you? Yeah. Don't that way. Get the people out of there. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Stop there. Oh. maybe he's a little thing.
Pernell, you got to be happy with today's turnout, huh?
Yes, sir. I'm very happy.
Very happy, huh?
It's incredible how much support I had.
Yeah.
Just unbelievable.
Yeah, they
But
showed
you know
up for you.
what? I'm looking forward to the second one,
The second one?
the third one,
And the third
and the fourth one. Yeah.
Good.
So thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.
That's for now. We'll see you. We'll see you dancing in the streets in Garden Grove shortly. How about that? And now the one of his organization. That's what this was all about. Yo, how about a picture for Dano here? All right. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Thank you. Ah. Look at that. Angelo stud rolling up the flatbed.
How do we look at the back?
Too bad Angelo didn't tell me and I could have called my sponsor, Joe, Beach Toad. Need a tow? Call Joe, Flatbed Joe. Angelo, it's not that it broke down, it's just a trailer queen. This is how you roll from show to show.
You know my sedan delivery?
Yeah.
That's something just lower than this. And I got the same thing that drops down with a ring. And I've been told at least 3 times it doesn't spin. Okay, before it's too late, lower that something. I made this still. It's a setup. If you see it and you crack up, it hinges up.
Yeah.
And you pin it. It's got a ring, and then you drop it, and then you put the pin back in, and it's about this big around, just for towing low cars.
Oh, cool.
I was going to make them
Good
and sell
idea.
them, but all the frames are different, you know.
Yeah.
That kind of killed me.
Look at that.
Let it down. He's getting me nervous now.
I know, huh?
Well, you put it in park.
Put it in park? It's not going to roll off and go nowhere.
It gets me. This car, I got to change my lock or something.
Yeah. It's almost like it's possessed, huh?
That's a hell of a crane.
There we go. Woo-hoo! How about that?
We're ready to roll, man.
It's going to be the prettiest car on a flatbed rolling down the I-5. I think it's strapped down pretty good there, right there, huh?
4,000 pounds each one of those.
4,000 pounds of strap down. How about that? Yeah. That's not going to go anywhere. Oh, 50 free stud.
You don't see it.
No. Nope. Especially not on a flatbed.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I got a trailer down at shop. But this thing was a slight thing. The trailer, the ramps are so long. It's really like that, you know.
Ooh, look at that dew times going out. Look at that, wow. Yeah, we got ourselves a convoy. I think he's taking his Jeep driver's chest, put it in first gear, or maybe second gear. First gear is too much of a creeper. Ooh, put the clutch in. Oh, ouch. All right, there you have it. There you have it. What a fun day this has been here in Tustin, California. Hope you all enjoyed Dano Live, Dano Vision. Military is headed somewhere else. We're safe and sound over here. Old Town, Tustin, California. Angelo's Studebaker up on the flatbed. The show is wounded down. I've been your host for the whole day. Dano Live. Y'all been watching Dano Vision. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining in. Subscribe, like. Put me over the 10,000 mark. Tell your friends to tune in to Dano Live. Thank you.